Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're taking a look at the JEACENT Portable Air Conditioner Sliding Door AC Vent Kit, which we believe is the best portable air conditioner door vent kit available. If you're looking to improve the efficiency of your portable air conditioner and keep your space cool without worrying about heat and air leakage, this is definitely a product worth checking out. This sliding door vent kit is designed for portable air conditioners with exhaust hoses of 5.1 inches or 5.9 inches in diameter. And it offers a maximum adjustable length of up to 90 inches, making it versatile enough to fit most sliding doors and windows. Whether you're dealing with a long or short sliding window, this vent kit provides the flexibility to get the perfect fit, ensuring maximum cooling efficiency. One of the standout features of this product is its easy installation process. There's no need to hire a professional, just slot the panels together, adjust them to your desired length, and lock them in place using the included lock nuts. This simple setup allows you to install the vent kit without any hassle, and the sturdy design ensures that the panels stay in place once installed. The material used for the panels is a thick, durable PVC that's built to withstand wear and tear, offering a reliable seal for your air conditioner. The unique bottom panel joint design ensures that there's no air leakage, keeping the cool air inside your room and preventing hot air from entering, which can save you energy costs in the long run. Another benefit is that this product is easy to remove when you no longer need it. The design is built to be convenient and practical, allowing you to take it down without any damage to your windows or doors. It's perfect for people who live in apartments or rented spaces, where you might need to take down the vent kit when moving out or during colder months. This vent kit also includes a universal adapter that makes it compatible with most portable air conditioners on the market. It's a great solution for anyone using a portable AC unit in a sliding window or door, providing a seamless fit and ensuring that your unit works at its best. In conclusion, if you're looking for an efficient, easy to install, and durable solution for venting your portable air conditioner through a sliding door or window, the JEACENT Portable Air Conditioner Sliding Door AC Vent Kit is the best option on the market. It's designed to maximize cooling performance while preventing any unwanted air leaks, ensuring that you stay comfortable all year round. If you want to keep your space cool and energy efficient, this product is a must-have. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Stay cool.